How to uninstall CapCut in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can uninstall CapCut in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So the first step here is open up your settings. So on your Windows device, search for settings and open it up. After you open up your settings, on the left sidebar you'll find apps. Tap on it and open it up. There you'll find an option called installed apps. Tap on it and open that up as well. From here you will be able to uninstall CapCut. So after your installed apps load, you'll need to locate your CapCut app, and there you will see three dots right besides it. Tap on the three dots and you'll find an option that says uninstall. Tap on it and tap on uninstall from there. After you tap on uninstall again, your CapCut will get uninstalled, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.